welcome to another episode of 5 Minutes with Freed. I'm your host, Michael Freed. I'm a litigation partner in the matrimonial and family law firm of Berkman, Botker, Newman, and Schein, with offices in New York City, Westchester, and Long Island. And today, my special guest is David Leeser of Sir Tilman Ballin. So, David, welcome to 5 Minutes with Freed.
Thank you, Michael. I appreciate the opportunity to speak with you and your viewers today.
Thank you. So, David, what is Sir Tilman Ballin and what's your role in the firm?
Well, Michael, Sir Tilman Ballin, Adler and Hyman is a Long Island-based law firm. We have offices in East Meadow and Hauppauge, and the firm practices in a variety of areas, from commercial litigation to real estate to corporate to tax certiorari and other fields. Me individually, I am a partner in the firm's trust and estate group. Right now, we have, say, about 7 or 8 attorneys in that group, and we handle most aspects of trust and estate work. That would include do high-end estate planning for wealthy individuals. We do basic wills if needed, and we also do a lot of elder law, which would cover things like Medicaid planning, Medicaid applications, and we do guardianship proceedings if needed.
So, David, you know that I'm a matrimonial and family law attorney. When would my clients most often require your services?
Okay. Well, trust and estate planning is really something for everyone. Regardless of the size of your estate, it gives you an opportunity to decide who you want to leave your estate to. If you do not plan, basically, New York State has certain rules in place which determine where your assets go. So, for example, if someone is married with children and you do not have any estate planning, New York says the first $50,000 goes to your spouse, and then the rest will be divided equally between your spouse and children. And that may not be something that's right for you. So that's one reason why you would want to have a will in place. And additionally, other situations arise where you may want to consider estate planning. For example, if your only asset is a house, you may want to put that house into a trust. In the event down the road you needed some type of long-term care, you wouldn't want the state to put a lien on that asset. So you can protect assets by planning in advance. And when it comes to matrimonial, that area could be challenging because oftentimes, as you know, you'll have a divorce followed by possibly a second marriage or a long-term relationship, and you'll have children from the first marriage. So you might want to set up your estate so that you can financially take care of your new wife while at the same time leaving those assets to your children down the road.
So, David, what would be the best way for a prospective client or other professional like myself to contact you?
Okay, you can reach me at the firm via email, which is dleeser, L-I-E-S-E-R, at sirtilmanballin.com. They can just look up Sir Tilman Ballin on the internet, and they can find me through the firm's website. Or the old traditional way, they can call me at 516-296-7000.
Perfect. So now, David Leeser, we have now come to the most important part of our show, and that happens to be the question of the week. So, David Leeser, this is your question of the week. The zombie apocalypse is here. You can choose one household item as a hand weapon. Which household item would you choose and why?
That's a good question. And it's funny, it comes up in estate practice a lot because, as you may know, in order to administer an estate, we have to have a death certificate. And with zombies, it's kind of hard to get the death certificate. It's sort of that gray area, where are they? So to avoid prolonged estates, we recommend trying to resolve the zombie problem immediately. I would go with a nice knife from the kitchen. It's efficient, and then you can get your estate back on track and move forward.
That is an outstanding answer. And
Okay.
David, Lisa, you have said it all. You are helping people do their estate planning one day at a time. And I want to thank you for being a wonderful guest on 5 Minutes with Freed.
Thank you again. Have a great day.